Hello, Happy New Year. It's been a couple of weeks. My apologies for not coming at you live the last 2 weeks. I am here on Instagram, here on Facebook, so if I'm not looking directly at you, I'm trying to talk to you both. Anyway, my name is Carly Cooper, and I teach you how to get shift done in your life, your business, your health, and your wellness. And I'm coming at you live for another Wellness Wednesday where we talk about essential oils. I break them down from A to Z or Z, depending where you're streaming in from. And today we're talking about one of my favorite oils. I know I say that about all of them, but kind of they are all my favorite for different reasons. But this oil, I find that it's really interesting because whenever I do these lives and whatever oil I'm on, I find that like I need it the most. So lately, I gotta confess that after the holidays, I thought I was doing fine eating wise, but my scale said otherwise. And so I've had like moments of just feeling not so good in my body and in my mind about it. And I wasn't so kind to myself and some of the thoughts that I was thinking and the things that I was saying. And so I've had to turn that around because putting on my life coach hat now, I know that the energy that we put out is what we get back. So if I am body shaming and I am talking negatively and thinking about how tight everything feels, then I'm just gonna stay in that place of stuck and feeling bad. So I'm turning that around. I'm getting my own shift done, and I'm thinking more positively, and I'm changing what I'm doing, and I'm feeling better before I actually feel better, right? So getting there in my mind first. Anyway, life coach hat off, essential oil hat back on. So I want to talk to you today about grapefruit. Grapefruit essential oil is an amazing and very timely oil because it is an amazing oil for detoxification, and I'm going to talk about some of the emotional benefits it has in just a moment. But it is an oil, it's a citrus oil, so it's naturally very uplifting to the mood. You can use it aromatically, so that means you can diffuse it, or you can put a drop in your palms and breathe it in that way. You can use it topically. Now I wanna warn you about grapefruit and any of the citrus oils. They are photosensitive, so if you are using it topically, you want to avoid direct sunlight for a while. Now, of course, we're not slathering it on, but I am gonna share a way that it's very good for skin, for oily skin. So if that's the case and you're putting it on your face, you just want to avoid direct sunlight, baking in the sun, which is January where you're doing that, unless you're away. But anyway, I digress. So you can also use it internally. So grapefruit oil is amazing for detoxification and to take it internally. So one of the best ways is to put a drop in water if you want to help promote weight loss. Now, let me just warn you before you go out and buy like stocks in this. When I say weight loss, it's not like you just drink a drop of, grapefruit and water and you're good to go. It helps reduce sugar cravings and it helps reduce hunger cravings. And so, that contributes to weight loss. We still want to be responsible and we still want to exercise and eat properly, right? There's no magic pill, but this can definitely help and support the detoxification process and the weight loss process. So putting 1 or 2 drops in water, I'm doing that right now, or you can swallow it down in a capsule. You can also diffuse 3 drops in a diffuser, because that can also, while you're working, can stop to, when you're starting to feel like, oh, I'm getting out of focus and I want to reach for something sugary, it can help to manage those cravings as well. If you wanted to reduce the cellulite, the appearance of cellulite, you can combine 2 drops of grapefruit with fractionated coconut oil and rub over the areas of concern, and it breaks down the fat cells and the lymphatic tissue. And cellulite is lymphatic tissue that's just stuck and it's not moving anywhere, so it can help break it down. If you have oily skin or acne, diluting 2 drops with a fractionated coconut oil, putting it on your face is a great way to manage breakouts and to manage your skin that way. But again, avoid direct sunlight if you're doing that. So I did mention it's great for detoxification. So putting, again, a drop in water, or you can put it on the bottom of your feet. I think I mentioned it every video, that your feet have the biggest pores. So it will get into your bloodstream within 20 to 30 seconds and then service every cell in your body within 20 minutes. So it's a great way to get these oils into your system quickly. You can also rub a drop of grapefruit with a drop of geranium oil over your liver. Okay, you can do that each day, or it's great for liver support and gallbladder support. So if that is something that is of concern for you, you can definitely do that. If you have adrenal fatigue or suffer from that, grapefruit, 1 drop with 1 drop basil is amazing for adrenal fatigue. So you can either put that in water, you can put it on the bottom of your feet, or if this is something that you're up against, then make a 10 ml roller bottle. I'm just going to grab one here. This isn't the exact blend, but you get the idea. You can get these on Amazon, the empty bottles, or any oil supply store will have these 10 ml bottles. You would put 10 drops of grapefruit, 10 drops of basil, top it up with fractionated coconut oil, and put it on the bottom of your feet, or if you know where your adrenals are, in the back of your back somewhere, then just apply that morning and night. Honestly, it's so easy. If you can count, you're a chemist, right? It's amazing. Okay, what else? You can also put it on the back of your neck, right? For the adrenal fatigue, or take it in capsules. That's another way. If you want a really fresh blend, or if you want a way to reduce stress in the home, so maybe during the day, or I know mornings for us can sometimes be hectic. So diffusing in the morning, 2 drops grapefruit, 2 drops lemon, 2 drops lavender. It'll just help calm the environment, and it's also very uplifting as well. For all of those who suffer from hangovers or jet lag, 1 drop in water of grapefruit will help ease those symptoms. And PMS, ladies, 2 drops over your abdomen. When you're suffering from PMS, it will help to reduce those symptoms. Of course, it is grapefruit, so feel free to flavor any smoothies or any yogurt or anything like that. It's a great flavor for your food, and you're also getting all of these amazing physical benefits. Whether you know it or not, it's happening. And it also will help improve focus. So diffusing 2 drops of grapefruit and 1 drop of Douglas fir is an amazing blend for focus. Okay, now, I've been asked this before because some people are on prescription medication that says that they can't have grapefruit with it, right? So I'm sure you've heard of that if there's certain medications, and grapefruit can interrupt what that medication does. So I just want to say, obviously always consult your doctor, because I am not a doctor, but grapefruit essential oil is different than the fruit, because the essential oil is taken from a different part of the plant. And so it has different chemical components to it. So it doesn't interrupt the same way that the fruit or the juice of grapefruit would. Again, if you're unsure, talk to your doctor before you make that kind of decision. But I just wanted to say that they are different in that way. Okay, so let's move on to the emotional side of grapefruit. It is known as the oil of honoring the body. And this is where I find it super cool, how these oils just help to bring up these emotional things in us. So if you are somebody who needs to learn how to respect and appreciate your body, so if you are somebody who, is obsessed with weight, obsessed with weight loss, is obsessed with dieting, judging yourself, how you look, neglecting your body, maybe abusing your body, severe dieting, just doing really unhealthy practices, you never feel like you look good enough, then grapefruit is a great support for you. Obviously, it's not just have a smell of grapefruit and you're good to go. get some help on those issues, right? Additional support, but it can help to curb the emotional need to eat, right? So many of us eat our feelings, and it will help to curb those cravings, and encourages you to have a positive relationship with your body through love, through acceptance. It teaches us to listen to our physical needs, to take responsibility for our bodies and our feelings, and to seek proper health, and whatever that form that looks like for you. So additional support. Basically, it's let's not eat our feelings anymore, right? Let's deal with it, but we can get the support that we need through grapefruit. So if you hate your body, you're obsessed with food or dieting, you have anxiety over your appearance, I know that, I've been going through a phase. So grapefruit has definitely been an amazing support for me. You can use it aromatically, like I said, diffusing it or just smelling it or wearing it as a perfume, topically, or you can take it internally as well. And it will just help you find a newfound respect for your body, help you feel more nourished in your physical and emotional, and also give you a healthy relationship with food. Whew, that's what I got for you. That is grapefruit. So tell me, comment below and let me know if you use grapefruit, and if you don't, what you've learned today, what you're excited about, and feel free to share this information with anybody who you know who would love to learn more about grapefruit or essential oils in general. You can send them over to my Facebook page, Carly Cooper Coaching. That's where I'm going to have a lot of videos and information, and I'm going to do some giveaways, and that's where the action's going to be. So feel free to connect with me there. You can private message me if you want to learn more about essential oils. If you're in the GTA, I can come to you. We can do a one-on-one, we can do a class. If you are outside of the GTA, technology will help us find a way to connect. So that is all I got for you today. If there's anything that you want to learn more about, feel free to private message me, and I may just do a video for you. Anyway, hope you have an awesome day today, and I will be back with you next week for another Wellness Wednesday. Have a great day. Bye for now.